A Samsung Galaxy S24 might lose signal due to software glitches, which can disrupt the phone's ability to maintain a stable connection with the network. Physical obstructions, such as buildings or other large structures, can also interfere with the signal. If you have a problem like this, then the first thing you have to do is to force restart your device. This can solve minor software glitches and bugs that could be causing the signal loss. To do it, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until the device vibrates and restarts. When the Samsung logo shows, release both buttons and allow the device to boot successfully. If the problem still persists after this, then try moving to an open area, as buildings and other large structures can sometimes interfere with your phone signal. You can also reset the mobile network settings, as it is the most effective solution to signal issues on your phone. To do it, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General Management, then tap on Reset. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings, and then tap Reset Settings to proceed. And lastly, if the problem persists, you should contact your carrier or service provider and inquire about the network in your area. Signal issues are often due to outages or other minor network-related problems, and calling tech support is also one way to report the problem. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.